Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unpair your JBL TUNER free from an iPhone. So first, what you guys want to do is open up these settings. Now in these settings, we want to go over to Bluetooth, and as you guys can see in my devices section, we will have our JBL TUNER free. So now we can click on the icon, which is the information icon. Here we have an option to forget this device. It's called forget on this phone, but on an Android it's actually Unpair. So now let's click forget this device, click on forget, and as you guys can see, the Bluetooth icon went from white to no color. So that means this is not in pairing mode, this is unpaired, and now you guys cannot basically use it because it's not paired. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.